Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to use the parachutes on GTA 5. So use the parachute, you must buy it from the ammunition shop. And after you buy it, you have to be in a great height to use the parachute. As you are falling down, all you have to do is just click on the left mouse button to use the parachute, like this. And to dismiss the parachute, press F on your keyboard. So guys, that's how we use the parachutes on GTA 5. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.